Hey, welcome to hashtag straight poop poopers. Yeah, my dogs love having you here. Hey, we're gonna be doing some kebabs teriyaki style. So, we're gonna be going outside pretty soon. If you want to make a shortcut, go through the front door and make a right and we'll be outside. Okay? So, hang loose, come outside. My doggies love having you here. Anyway, hey, I bought a pork loin and done a bunch of stuff. One time I did a video of a scallopini, another time I did one on a whole pork loin, did one on baked beans. This one, I'm doing kebabs. Okay, and the first step here, I cubed it up and took it off that. And right here, there's 3 pounds. And in this bag, okay, is minced ginger, minced garlic, and there's some minced onion. And I love using these bags. Now the bag is folded over, so when I put everything in, the gack, okay, doesn't get in there, so in the groove, so making it impossible to seal, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the meat here, and I'm just gonna incorporate all this. Okay, now keep in mind that I also made a really nice marinade, and I'm gonna show that to you in a second. Just wanna make sure. Okay, now you see that, all right? Now, I've got a cup here. It's got 4 ounces cannabis oil. It's got keef, soy sauce, mirin, juice from the garlic, okay? And it's got a little bit of orange juice concentrate. It's got a pinch of salt because I want to bring that salty and sweet in. And salt brings it all together, of course. And there's keef, and there's ground black pepper. Pardon my boarding house reach. This is a Sheltie cup. See? Life's boring without a Sheltie. So, okay. Now see what I mean? There's no gack, okay? None of that stuff is in there. So I could get the air out of there, and well, I'm not cryovacuuming it. I could, okay? But it's not necessary because as much marination that I want, 24 hours from right now is when I'll put it on the barbecue pit, and I'm going to skewer it with pineapple, okay, and some zucchini. And then I've got a real nice teriyaki glaze I'm gonna make out of stuff in here, and you can reuse it as long as you boil it down. And I specify that in our e-cookbook, which is available to you guys free, and I'd love for you to get it. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, and just look at the graphics and the prompts, okay? So yeah, that's where we're at. So this is going in the fridge, and we'll go outside later. Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Well, I got these guys, and they're skewered. I've got fresh pineapple on them. I also got fresh zucchini. Bell pepper too. So, nice thing is, man, these things don't get hot because they got this spring. So, yeah, this is not going to take long, okay? And I've got my grid pulled back here so I can balance it like this. It's almost like a I'm almost kind of doing a, I don't know, a makeshift rotisserie, I suppose. Now, the skewers are square, okay? So, as opposed to round ones. So far so good, but I don't really trust skewers to begin with, okay? To keep the meat and anything from going circular, you know what I mean? So, let me try to get you a better shot here. There you go. Okay, so this is probably going to take, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes total. See how that piece of pork just kind of like, yeah, that's when you're dealing with kebabs. I could tighten it because it has this little thing here. So that's kind of solves the problem. Just push that thing if you happen to have these type of skewers. Everything is fresh, okay? The pork took the marinade really, really well, okay? And it's because, you know, you intensify the flavors, but you also make sure that everything's nice and mixed. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Buy this type of skewer that has this disc at the back, okay? And go from there, man. Don't buy the round ones. And if you're going to use bamboo skewers or wooden skewers, make sure that you soak them in water overnight, okay? But don't soak them in water more than overnight because then you're going to get some mold. Believe me, I've seen people try that, and they're asking me, why is there mold on it? Well, you left it in the water too much. So, yeah, I like this little makeshift kind of like rotisserie. Plus, I got a log in here from a cherry. That was a sweet one. I have sweet and tart. I've been burning tart, but sweet is the one with the really nice shiny red. Well, there you have it, guys. That's my pork teriyaki kebab. You could do it very easily too. Buy some good skewers. They're shaped like square and with the discs so you could push everything. Hey, thanks for joining us here on #StraightPoo. And my dogs love having you here. Make sure you grab your free e-cookbook. 125 BarBeQue cannabis recipes, 230 pages total. Okay, so next time we will see you on #StraightPoop. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.